Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. In previous video, we discussed about the digestive system and their other organs. Today, we are going to discuss about the respiratory system. Respiratory system is the network of an organ that helps you in the breathing. So, the respiratory system are involved in the respiratory system. The organs are involved in the respiratory system are nose, mouth, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and the lungs. In the respiratory system, lungs is the primary organ. The respiratory system are of two types, two parts. First one is lower respiratory tract, and second one is upper respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract consists nose, mouth, sinus, pharynx, and larynx. Lower respiratory tract consists trachea, bronchi, alveoli, and the diaphragm. Then the basic process of the respiratory system, it starts from the nose. We inhale the air through the nose, and hairs are present in nose, which are filtered out, and air we inhale. Then this inhale air passes through the nasal cavity to the sinus. Sinus is the air filled space which makes our skills lighter. Another function of the sinus is that they humidifies the air, which is then further passed to the pharynx. Pharynx is the common opening of the food and the air also. They need goes to the larynx. Larynx is called as a voice box. Larynx has a larynx has a vocal cords and the folds. That's why sound production is possible. Then here upper respiratory tract ends and the lower respiratory tract begins. It consists of trachea and the lungs. Cilia is present in the trachea, which traps the dust particle, which expels dust particles from our body via coughing and sneezing. Trachea further divided into a true bronchi. Bronchi is the branch of a trachea into the lungs, and it create network of intricate. Bronchi consists of two lungs. First one is the right lung, and second one is left lung. Right lung has a three lobes, and the left lung has a two lobes. Lobes are filled with the small spongy sac. We can call the alveoli. Alveoli is a site where gaseous exchange takes place. Then the diaphragm. Diaphragm is the respiratory muscle. When we breathe, diaphragm are flat for making the space to breathing, and when we exhale, the diaphragm are come on the same position. It means uh, where the makes relaxation and the contraction. Then the tissue present in the respiratory tract, which is responsible for the dust particle and the pathogens, are pseudostratified columnar tissue. The main process of the respiration for the gaseous exchange is the diffusion. Diffusion means the higher concentration to the lower concentration. That's are all about the respiratory system. So now we are see about the respiratory illness of the respiratory system. So the disease that occurs in the upper respiratory tract, first one is common cold, sinusitis, pharyngitis, laryngitis, and then the disease that occurs in the lower respiratory tract, pneumonia, asthma, and tuberculosis. So this is all about the respiratory system. Hope you like my video. Thank you.